today we are going to make a training SOP. What is the meaning of SOP? SOP meaning is simple mean standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure you can use SOP everywhere. Even your coffee shop, even hotel, even restaurant, even supermarket, even any all the companies you can use your SOP. SOP means standard operating procedure, means when you open the outlet, when you open the restaurant, when you open any business, so you can use the SOP means standard. So today we are not going to our cafe all, but today only we want to cover only the kitchen item, kitchen area. So kitchen area SOP, when you come to the outlet, so kitchen area SOP, this is the SOP kitchen, this is the part. SOP means the part, easy for you, so you can do all things. So SOP kitchen area, when you come, check the black tea is there or not. As per the whole day procedure, you can run one day full as per your tea sale. So always check first black tea, then milk tea, how much milk tea you have, you can sell how many. If you sell one day is 50 milk tea, so 50 milk tea you have or not, you can make or not. That check your black tea, milk tea. Check juice, like a ginger juice, lemon juice, always check you have enough for the whole day or not. Then again you check the backup, the bun, your buns backup for whole day as per standard, as per your manager instructions, you have or not. If you don't have, just put room temperature, how much quantity your manager told you, so that quantity you put the room temperature. So when you are busy, then you can use the proper. If you are not busy, you have enough for opening outlet, so you can use only the room temperature. So put room temperature, cover your trolley. Then after you can check it out your juices, like fresh fruit juice you have, or not, like orange, pineapple.
Thank you so much.
Minister today's party. So check the juices. Then after check your delivery, you have enough stock milk or not. If you don't have milk stock, so you can order the milk. Then you check your freezer, chiller temperature, oven temperature, switch on the oven, then your temperature need to come proper 150, 175 and 80. Then check your coffee machine is okay or not. Then check your kitchen area, floor always need to dry and clean, not sticky. When you walk, sticky coming, no, this is wrong. Not wet, too much water on the floor, no need, because sometime staff is going to inside and come outside, so they can fall down. So kitchen have so many equipments, so anyone can be mishappening can be bad. So always wet and dry your floor. Then mop, dust and come to the counter. This is your SOP in the kitchen. So when you use your SOP serial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you finish these things, so you can know, these things I finish already, so we have to come to the counter. So now your counter area, espresso machine, chiller, counter, under counter chiller temperature. You have a backup milk here in a counter, so no need to go in the kitchen every time. Enough for one day, for whole day. Your shift 8 hours must be inside. All the items like a cup, hot cup, cold cup, ice cube machine is working or not, tap water is coming or not, hot cup, cold cup, small cups, 4 ounce, 8 ounce, all the cups. Fill up the all sauces like caramel, chocolate, Nutella, lotus, honey, Raffaello, Rocha, dates, all the sauce must be refilled. Check your water is here or not, room temperature and in the chiller, cold, hot, room temperature, all things need to check. Check your float, your machine is working or not. Check your float must be 100 inside the float. So all cash item need to here. All backup is ready, your phone is working or not, printer paper is there or not, your tablet machine is working or not, credit card machine. Switch on your Akeed and Talabat, both is working or not. put the paper, check it out the paper, there is paper or not, busy time when you are busy, if no paper, if there is cannot be done. So this printer machine, this paper have or not, all things, clean your counter area, dust and nice cleaning. Then you can go outside. If you go outside, your table, all the tables, this barcode working or not, that all the barcode is there. Under the table check, sometime gums is there, some guests come and they put they make the dirty. Check it out, this one, dusting all the tables, check sanitizer bottle is clean or not. If not clean, just clean up. I already make a last time video, so how you have to clean this sanitizer bottles, this clean. Refill, if no sanitizer is there, just refill that one. All the sanitizers and instructions standees must be proper line as per the standard. Then floor broom and mop and dust. Now one book is there, all the guests and all Akid and Talaba driver is come, they should write his name and mobile number inside before pick up the deliveries. So now make one bun tray, proof one bun tray inside the oven, make ready. Your system is on now, switch on signboard electricity. Now you're going to open out it. Check the door is okay, dining outside table is clean, setup must be ready, brooming, mopping. This is first kitchen, counter. Now outside, this is dining area. This area should be clean as per the standard, like SOP they writing. Outdoor area means dining area, table, sanitizers, dusting, chair, all as per the standard. Door, glass, sofa, all as per the standard. Proper line, proper clean. This is called SOP. If you use SOP, standard operating procedure, so when you go to the kitchen, you know SOP, what I have to do for the whole day in the kitchen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 10, 12 columns. Just fill it up. It's not taking too much time. Then you can come in the counter. Now your backup is ready. Now you can come in the counter. So you can use the SOP in counter. Now kitchen is finished, counter. What you have to do in the counter area. So that SOP can help you more. Then counter is ready. Now you can go to the dining area. You can check it out the dining. It's take only the 10-15 minutes and 10-15 minutes and 10-15 minutes. So under the, if you use everyday SOP, so you can finish soon as possible. You can finish soon as possible. This is SOP. If you use this can improve your knowledge. This can improve your skills. This can make you energetic. This can make you hope to make a responsible team member staff. So you can make your things is ideal. So use always the SOP. Guide your team also. Pass this message to others. Always use daily checklist and SOP as per the standard. What company want to do. So this is called SOP, standard operating procedure.
Standard operating
procedure.
procedure.
This is SOP. Okay.
Thank you, sir.